Creating your dream life on a budget. Easy tips and tricks. Welcome back to Elevate Life. Today, we're diving into how you can create your dream life without breaking the bank. Yes, it's possible to live the life you've always wanted while being smart about your finances. Let's get started. Tip 1. Setting clear, achievable goals. The first step to living your dream life on a budget is setting clear and achievable goals. You need to know what you're working towards. This isn't just about big dreams, it's about breaking them down into manageable steps. Start by defining what your dream life looks like. Is it a new career, a healthier lifestyle, or maybe traveling more? Write it down, create a vision board, and break your goals into smaller, actionable steps. This keeps you focused and makes the process less overwhelming. Don't just stop at the big picture. Set specific, measurable, and time-bound objectives. For example, if your goal is to travel more, start with a plan to save a certain amount of money each month towards your travel fund. Small, consistent actions lead to big changes over time. Tip 2. Embrace minimalism. Embracing minimalism can be a game changer. By decluttering your life, you make room for what truly matters. Start by getting rid of items you no longer need. Sell or donate them, and use the proceeds to fund your dreams. A minimalist lifestyle not only saves money but also reduces stress and increases focus on your goals. Take it one step at a time. Begin with one room or even one drawer. The goal is to create a space that is free from unnecessary clutter, allowing you to focus on what brings you joy and moves you closer to your dream life. Tip 3. Learn new skills online. Learning new skills doesn't have to be expensive. There are countless free or low-cost resources available online. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy offer courses on everything from professional development to personal hobbies. Investing in your skills is one of the best ways to move closer to your dream life. Additionally, check out YouTube tutorials and free webinars. Many experts share valuable knowledge for free. Set aside a few hours each week to learn something new, whether it's a professional skill that can advance your career or a hobby that enriches your personal life. Tip 4. Find free or low-cost entertainment. Entertainment doesn't have to cost a fortune. There are plenty of free or low-cost activities that can enrich your life. Look for local events, visit museums on free admission days, or enjoy the great outdoors with activities like hiking and picnicking. These experiences can be just as fulfilling as expensive outings. Join community groups or social media pages that share information about free events and activities. Public libraries often host free workshops and classes, and many cities have free or low-cost fitness classes in parks. Get creative and explore what's available in your area. Tip 5. Cook at home. Cooking at home is not only healthier but also a great way to save money. Plan your meals, shop with a list, and cook in bulk to save time and money. Homemade meals are often more nutritious and can bring a sense of accomplishment and enjoyment. Try meal prepping to make your week easier. Spend a couple of hours on the weekend cooking meals that you can quickly reheat during the week. This not only saves money but also reduces the temptation to eat out, keeping your budget in check and your health on track. Tip 6. Practice gratitude and positivity. Staying positive and practicing gratitude can transform your mindset and keep you motivated. Start a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. This practice shifts your focus to the positive aspects of your life, creating a sense of abundance and fulfillment. In addition to journaling, practice mindfulness and meditation. Spend a few minutes each day focusing on your breath and clearing your mind. These practices help reduce stress, improve mental clarity, and keep you centered on your path to achieving your dream life. Tip 7. Use cashback and rewards programs. Take advantage of cashback and rewards programs to make your money go further. Use apps like Rakuten, Honey, and your credit card's rewards program to earn cashback on your everyday purchases. This extra money can be saved or used to fund your dreams. Make sure to read the fine print and use these programs wisely. Some credit cards offer significant rewards for certain categories like groceries or gas. Plan your purchases to maximize these benefits and watch your savings grow. Tip 8. Utilize public resources. Public resources can provide a wealth of opportunities at little to no cost. Public libraries offer free books, Wi-Fi, and workshops. Community centers often provide free or low-cost classes and events. Take advantage of these resources to enrich your life without spending much. Explore what your community has to offer. Many cities have free cultural events, educational workshops, and recreational activities. These resources are often underutilized, but they can significantly enhance your quality of life without costing a penny. Tip 9. Reflect and adjust. Finally, take time to reflect on your progress and make necessary adjustments. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Regular reflection helps you stay aligned with your goals and adapt to any changes. Celebrate your successes, and remember that every step forward is progress. Create a monthly review routine. Sit down with your journal or planner, assess your progress, and tweak your plans as needed. This practice ensures you stay on track and keeps you motivated by acknowledging how far you've come. Thank you for joining me on this journey to creating your dream life on a budget. Remember, it's not about how much money you have but how you use it to achieve your dreams. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. See you next time. By following these tips, you can take actionable steps towards your dream life without straining your finances. Let's elevate our lives together.